In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on AirPods Pro 2 case sound. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can freely enable or disable the case sound for your AirPods Pro 2 or any other model. In order to do this, you have to go over to the settings when they are connected to your iPhone. So if you haven't already set them up, make sure that they are connected and then access these settings. Choose your AirPods Pro 2 and the setting will be available right here. So there's no secret. As soon as you access these settings, scroll or swipe all the way down until you find the option. It is going to be right below microphone. So all that you have to do is make sure that this option is toggled on. And if it is set to on in this position and it is green, you are good to go. The case sound will not be enabled. Of course, if you prefer, you can disable it instead, and you will be able to use the charging case sounds however you prefer. Now, if you notice the option is grayed out and it is disabled, what you can do is follow these steps in order. Close the case with the AirPods Pro inside, plug the case into the charging cable and wait about 30 seconds. Then open the charging case, wait until your phone recognizes the AirPods Pro, and then this option will become accessible. So essentially you put them back into the charging case, you let it charge for about 30 seconds, and once 30 seconds go by, you open the case, take them out, and let them reconnect. And then the option should become available. But to keep it simple, if all you wanted was to enable or disable it, then just go here and the option should be all set up for you to enable or disable without having to do these additional steps. You should only put them into case and follow these additional steps if for whatever reason the option is grayed out like this. And as long as you toggle it accordingly, either on or off, you will be able to use the preferred method with the charging case sounds enabled or disabled. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on AirPods Pro 2 case sounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.